Hi, I'm Advik, a grade 5 student from Vancouver. I'm super interested in the periodic table. That's why I came here in this video to show some very cool and fun facts about the periodic table. Here we're going to look at alkali metals and halogens. As you can see, alkali metals are the extreme left of the periodic table and halogens are the right. First, we're going to look at alkali metals. They're the arms of the periodic table, starting with lithium, then sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and ends with francium. Now, to see what's interesting about the alkali metals, we got to look at the atomic structures. Now, if you see the atomic structures of lithium, sodium, and potassium, you can see something common about them is that they have one electron in the outermost shell. Now, what happens in a chemical reaction is that these elements very easily lose those electrons, and that's what makes these elements very reactive. The other thing to note is that all of them lose the electrons, but as they go from top to bottom in the periodic table, you see as the atomic number increases, the size of the atom increases as well. And with that now, the distance from the nucleus to the last electron increases, which makes it easier for these elements to lose the electron, which makes francium the most reactive alkali metal in the periodic table. Now we are going to switch to halogens. Now, just like the alkali metals, halogens also have something interesting about them. They are the ions of the periodic table, starting with fluorine, then chlorine, bromine, iodine, and ends with astatine. Now, if we look at the atomic structures of halogen, you can see they have one less electron to complete their outermost shell. Like fluorine and chlorine have 7 electrons in the outermost shell, and bromine has 17. Now, what happens in a chemical reaction is that they readily accept another electron, and that's what makes these elements as reactive as alkali metals. But now what's different about them from alkali metals is that as the atomic number increases, the size of the atom increases as well, and with this now, it results in weaker forces to attract another electron. So, francium can attract an electron much more easily compared to astatine, which makes halogens most reactive at the top and least at the bottom, which is the total reverse of alkali metals. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope you like it. Let's see you in another video. Bye.